Okay, John planned this little date day for us, for the boys, and we had a surprise all day. Can you guys see the surprise yet?
Aiden, what's this?
Aiden, can you see?
What do you see? What's over here?
Can you see the surprise?
What is this?
What's the surprise?
What? Oh,
An airplane and a helicopter.
should we go see him?
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Nap time.
Let's go. So we are at the Miramar
Flying Leatherneck
Space-
Aviation Museum.
How did this?
Yes. Oh my goodness.
Helicopters and airplanes.
Woo.
You want to see them, Aiden? Whoa.
That's pretty cool. Declan, are you excited too?
Happy.
Yes, let's do it. Good job, Dada. Look, that's what an airplane seat is like.
You want to sit up there? Yeah.
It's like a big car seat. Whoa, isn't that cool? Aiden, so if someone's shooting at your airplane,
Yeah.
that'll catch all the bullets.
Let's keep the bullets from going.
It's a bulletproof vest.
Sit on here.
Sit there and fly the plane, Daddy. Yeah, put your Top Gun glasses on. I know. It's kind of
Dad. Big one.
yeah, that's cool.
Happy. Little one. I can do it.
Here, let's go outside. That's a bomb. So this is like a little boy's dream.
Back another time when you can go inside, okay?
Whoa. Well, that's where the wheel goes. That's crazy.
I bet there's 2 to 3 people that flew this one.
Yeah. Isn't that cool? Do you see the little windows?
Here?
Yeah, that's where you sit. Look up here, Aiden. Look at the little windows.
in there too.
See the airplane.
Inside.
It's the bumblebee plane.
Whoa. Spiderweb. It's okay. Is there a spiderweb up there?
Wow.
Yeah, go see it. Over here. Yeah, let's go check it out.
A spiderweb.
Oh, goodness.
Okay. Okay. Uh-oh. Aiden.
These boys and their spider webs. That one needs new batteries?
Yes.
Oh. Let's go see which one's Aiden. Okay. So, can you see this airplane? That big part that's toward us is all folded back, that wing. For the planes that are on the, what am I trying to say? On the water. On the water, in the aircraft carrier. I was trying to think of the name aircraft carrier.
What's the Osprey?
Whoa. Oh my goodness. Where are they going?
Marine Corps Air Station.
Those are crazy. Helicopters with
NCAS Miramar.
Declan, those airplanes had helicopter wings on top. Propellers. What is that? It's a tank. Yeah, look at that. Whoa. It's a missile. What?
I think it go away. And
You see more ants?
I don't see any.
Don't worry about the ants. Check out the airplane.
Look at the butterfly.
A little spider web.
Can you fly it? Okay. Yeah. Wow.
A stop sign.
A stop sign in the sky? I don't think they have stop signs.
Hey, let's go check out these ones.
Ooh.
Say a helicopter.
Oh,
A helicopter?
A little bit, okay? We'll go look at it.
Yeah, let's look at a few more airplanes and we'll find a helicopter. They really want to see the helicopters. They're like, cool airplane, where's the helicopter?
Yeah, let's see this one.
Let's see it. These are so cool. This one's kind of funny looking. Oh. See the holes, Declan? To shoot rockets out of?
Yeah.
And missiles? Oh, yeah. Big rock. Yep. No, there might be ants on it. Let's go. It's crazy. This is one of those tinker airplanes that fills up the other airplanes that are out of gas. What is it?
It's a Harrier.
A Harrier. Look how short its wings. I was just talking to John about how short its wings were, and I was like, what's the deal with this airplane? But this one can take off straight up and down because it has the propulsion things. Oh man, I sound really dumb. That's crazy. Do you see that? It's so that someone doesn't poke their eye out. This tennis ball on the end of it.
Aiden, this plane,
Don't poke your eye out.
straight up and down. It can go straight up and down. It doesn't need a runway.
Isn't that crazy? It just lifts straight off. So they used to train here for the Top Gun.
Top Gun used to be here.
at Miramar, and then they moved that to somewhere.
Top Gun's like in Nevada or something. They moved it.
So Tom Cruise, you know, came here to do research. Maybe
I was all here.
I was here. Yeah, it's kind of cool.
Aiden, this is a big one. Look at this one.
Yeah.
Phantom. That's Phantom.
Aiden was saying his bum was scratching, and I was like, I made the mistake of saying, oh, you got ants in your pants? And I was like, oh, ants in my pants. Like, no, it's like one of these things we say and realize they're gonna start freaking out over. I'm like, oopsie, sorry.
And then again being
Okay.
and then away.
Okay.
Right?
When Aiden's all done being a superhero, he'll put his clothes away. That sounds good to me. Good job. I would feel kind of claustrophobic in there
Yeah.
with all that machinery around
I mean,
you.
it's all faded and like it's not in great shape. But
Yeah, it's crazy. Can you touch the spider web?
Yes.
Another ant? You and your ants.
Silly boy.
Come on. What are you doing, Declan?
Huh?
Does he transform like
Aiden,
Blade?
do you want to get down?
Yes.
Here, up, dude. Go up with Aiden.
So cool.
This is
I
cool.
want one.
This would have been Vietnam. 65 Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Yeah, these are all the rice
Vietnam.
paddies.
Rice
I want
paddies.
one.
Oh, I thought those were people. They're little bushes.